Mount Burni Talong is a stratovolcano in Aceh province, Indonesia, and it has just been raised to level 3, Siaga, after a sudden spike in earthquake activity on December 30th. Between 8:43 p.m. and 10:45 p.m. local time, monitoring stations recorded 7 felt earthquakes near the volcano, concentrated close to the summit region. Officials then detected a mix of deep volcanic quakes, shallow volcanic quakes, and tectonic quakes occurring in the same sequence. Indonesia's geological agency says this pattern indicates magma movement and warns it can be easily triggered by additional tectonic shaking. The agency also warns an eruption could be triggered by earthquakes or could occur with minimal warning beyond the activity already recorded. A 4-kilometer exclusion zone is now in effect around the summit. The highest danger zone carries the risk of pyroclastic flows, lava flows, and toxic gas emissions, with heavy ashfall and ejected volcanic rocks also possible farther out. Burni Talong has a history of eruptions, and level 3 is issued when authorities believe the risk is rising fast.